Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AI UGC using ArcAds. This is a paid site, so you do need to have premium without without having any points for this. These are the examples for it. So as you can see, you can also be like their AI actor if you want to kind of if you want to become their AI actor, like if you ever want to do that, you can also sign up for that. But here there's there's three examples of it. They look super realistic even though this is AI. Obviously they're taking like your video, and I guess you can put in any kind of script you want to promote products, to do story times. I know those are very popular on TikTok, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.